All right, it's time to put on some new tires on this thing. Waiting for parts to come in for the carb rebuild and a few miscellaneous things, but I'm ready to get the tires on. First time doing tires. Got some tire spoons from Tusk and tire bead tool. The new tubes. And then we're going with Kenda Southwicks. I guess they're good for sand, but we'll find out once we get this thing out on the trails or the track. These are 110 90/19s on the rear. Right now it's a 190/19. So I believe, yeah, these are wider. But first time, let's hope we don't pop a tube. Gonna move some things around in the garage, get this thing on the stand. We'll be doing the first tire first, so see you there. We're back. We're gonna start by removing these 4 bolts and pulling the pin from the axle and getting the front wheel off. As you can see, this front wheel's got some bad weathering cracks and it's old, doesn't hold air, so needs replacing. This is a 10 millimeter. Over on this side is a 6 mil Allen key. Not sure if it's supposed to be that way or they lost some bolts, but gonna have to use some channel locks. All right, we're gonna start preparing this wheel. It already has some sort of maybe a factory and wrap, but I'm just gonna go over it again with a little bit of electrical tape. Start by putting a little bit of air in this to help us out. Alright, well, the tire is on. I'm not gonna lie, that was the biggest pain in the butt I've ever done, but it's because it was my first time. The next one's gonna go much better. I'm about 3 hours into this, which is embarrassing, but hey, whatever. We are now gonna put air in the tire and make sure that the bead gets set. There, we got our first dirt bike tire put on. Pretty excited about it.